So we're off on a mission this morning. We're off to find some rock pools. We got no idea where they are. We don't even know what they're called. All we know that they're in, where? Eagle Bay.
Yeah.
So we had some friends that went there and showed us some photos. It looked pretty cool, but they couldn't remember what it's called or exactly where it was. So yeah, we're off to find them this morning. A little bit sad news this morning, just about, what, a couple of k's down the road from the caravan park, 350 pilot whales beached themselves. Yeah, we just drove past then and there's people and cars everywhere. But yeah, a bit sad news. I think they saved 300.
No, 30 or something, I think.
I think they saved 300 and yeah, 45 or 50 have died unfortunately. But yeah, that's what I was reading on the news this morning. So yeah, but it sure is crazy. There's people just around everywhere. The highway, it's just both sides of the road. This car's pulled over and yeah, they're all down the beach. So not the greatest of news this morning, but
Anzac Day?
yeah, it's Anzac Day. Was up earlier for dawn service. So I got that done and yeah, now we're off to find these rock pools. So we had no luck finding the rock pools. We drove all through Eagle Bay, couldn't find them anywhere, but we're just on our way back to the caravan park and look at all the cars. The whales that beach themselves, it's just on the beach just over there. So everyone's pulled up here to go over and have a look, I guess. But it's not something that I really want to go down and film. Yeah, I just don't think it's a really nice thing to do, so yeah, we won't go and do that.
No.
But we'll head back to the park, but we've got to find these rock pools. How are we going to find them? We're just going to have to search Google Maps and see if we can come across them, yeah?
Yeah.
So yeah, absolutely spewing that we couldn't find them. I was looking forward to going there because it looked like a really cool place.
I'll have another look, yeah.
But we'll just scan Google Maps, I guess, and try to see where it is. But we drove all the way along
Eagle Bay Road.
Eagle Bay Road,
House, everything.
yeah, and couldn't find them. And apparently it was just off the road, and there was a sign there, but yeah, we couldn't see no sign or anything. But yeah, there's even cars parked up this far. So it was just down along between here, this inlet here, just down that way a little bit where it happened, which is really sad. So we just come back to the van, had some lunch. Jared, what you doing here today?
Put a 12 volt plug in.
Put a
12 volt cigarette lighter plug to plug the fridge into.
in the Drommobile, so we can plug the fridge in and take the fridge to the markets with us.
Yeah.
The caravan park's starting to fill up. It's completely booked out from today all the way through to Sunday. Today's Anzac Day, so I'm guessing everyone's going to take a sickie tomorrow and make it an extra long weekend. If I was still working, I reckon that's what I would have done. But yeah, we're going to just have a few beers now on my second one. Just have a couple of beers and that's about it tonight. We can't have a fire yet. 1st of May we can have a fire, so looking forward to having a campfire. Nights are getting chilly, so I would have loved to have a fire tonight. What day's the 1st? What's the date today? Oh, it's 25th today. It's Anzac Day. So the 1st is next Wednesday. So yeah, we'll have to have a fire next week. Yeah. Really good. We'll have to go and get some wood.
I think old John's got some wood he sells up here. Comes around with a tractor and...
Oh yeah, the dude that
gardener.
does the gardens and stuff. He comes around in like a, what are they? Not a gopher, but what are they? Golf buggy.
Yeah, like
with a little trailer on it, selling wood, and he drops it off for you. So I think we're going to have to hit him up and get some wood. But for dinner, I am cooking I call it my potato puff casserole. So that's in the slow cooker. It is so good. So what I do, I get potato puffs from Aldi. I put a layer on the bottom, and then 500 grams of mince, mushrooms, onion. What else do I put in there? Peas, carrots, a tin of tomato condensed soup, and a jar of either bolognese sauce or a pasta bake, usually like a tomato, herb and garlic type flavour one, and stir all that in, put a layer of that, and then another layer of potato puffs, and then cover it all in cheese, and it is so good. It comes out so good. It's so nice. It reminds me of, you guys in Tassie would know Praties. It reminds me of Aroma with extra cheese, same sort of flavour. But yeah, I was going to put little pasta shells in it today, and I forgot to do that, Jared.
Oh, that's what you said you was going to do next.
But yeah, I've done it the normal way I do it. But I did want to try it a lot with little pasta shells in it, because Praties, their Roma has like little pasta shells in it. So I was going to do that, but yeah, I never done it. I forgot about it. But it's on, it's in the slow cooker. It's going to be ready about 6:30, so don't have to worry about dinner. It's going to be done, and it's going to be delicious. Jared, you're shout, I think.
Has he had a treat today?
No, I haven't gave him any. You want a treat, Winnie? I think that's a yes.
I think so.
You have another beer?
I finished all what I'm doing.
I'll grab it. I don't think you've gotten one yet.
I got that one.
Don't lie.
I'm not.
Whatever. We haven't had better beer for a while. We've been drinking Hahn. Still, it's low carb, but Hahn Super Dry, which is not bad. Works out a bit cheaper. It's what we pay $60 usually for better beer. A carton for 24,
Yeah,
but you get a block for 63.
63, so extra $3 for 6
Yeah,
years.
better beer is usually 60, so $3, and you get an extra, 6 cans. So I think it's better value, and it's not bad. I don't actually mind it. But I haven't had a better beer for a while.
There is one in there.
Oh, is there still one in the fridge? Why don't you drink it?
Oh. Plus these cans are bigger. These are only around 55 mils.
Oh yes, it is definitely better.
So 375 mils.
Yeah, definitely better value then.
Yeah.
Oh, and why you got the
These are 150. These are got
in the freezer here?
Sure.
These from Aldi are the absolute bomb. If you remember years ago, you used to get the old home brand patties, like with the paper in between them. I used to absolutely love them when I was a kid. I reckon they're better. What do you reckon? Like good, eh? We had them for the first time this morning for breakfast with an egg on it. And I was really good, eh? The flavour of them was, yeah, really, really nice. What are we going to do? We're going to go for a walk, or
I've just sat down. This is the first time I've sat down. I might go for a walk later.
take Winnie for a walk? Go for a walk around the park and see how many people are here.
Tell her who's been doing stuff. What are you jumping off for?
Because it's like cold. It's freezing. Aren't you cold? It's getting chilly late afternoon of a night. But next week we're going to have a fire. That's what I'm excited for.
Yep.
Not far off before we start thinking about heading north. Which what I'm really, really excited for.
When it's time, it's time.
Back in warm weather, day and night. Be good. Back swimming.
Did you get him
No, I didn't. Listen to Winston crying because I never got his treat. I forgot about it. Can you hear him? I'll bring the microphone over a bit closer. Don't bark. No. I'll get your treat now. I'll get it for you now. Sit. Shake hands. No. Shake hands. Drop. Good boy. You like that? Hey, you've been hanging out for your treat. One more? You want one more? Sit. 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 Shake hands. Drop. Good boy. Good boy. You like that, don't you? So we finally found the rock pools, but the tide's in a little bit too far. But you can see where the rock pools are. It's like a little one there. You go in. But I'm guessing when the tide's out, you can see more of the rock pools, yeah?
Yeah, should be able to.
Little seat there. What's this tell you? Oh, it tells you where everything is. So, Lighthouse 7Ks. Dunsborough's that way 6Ks. Well, that way, sorry.
Swan Dive Wreck,
Busselton Jetty.
2.2 Ks.
So dive wrecks are 2.2 Ks out there. There's a dive wreck.
Yeah.
Yeah, these rock pools be cool when the tide's out a bit. Oh, just jarred me ankle again.
Oh,
Bloody oath.
someone there.
Hey?
Someone there.
Oh yeah. Thought you meant there's someone in the
No, see, if the tide was
someone
in
there
more,
you're talking about. Oh, if the tide was in more, the rock pools would be. Yeah, the tide's out too far, so all these along here
they fill up with water.
would be, yeah, rock pools, but tide's out too far.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the tide was right in, that'd be a cool
Like here,
rock pool there.
Yeah.
But a few people down here fishing though.
Heaps fishing.
Must be a good fishing spot.
I was going to say, there goes our van, but we haven't got the van.
Must be a good fishing spot. There's heaps of people like just around that corner there fishing. I'll have to come down here and have a fish.
I think so.
But yeah, we finally found it. It's not a bad spot. Keep finding epic spots down here
Yeah.
in the Geographic Bay area.
Fishing down here next week.
Might have to.